Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has remained as is in the last session. The stochastic RSI has sunk into negative territory. Bitcoin has lost 3.8% in the last two sessions. The ATR has receded slightly into the low volatility area. The price of gold has fallen 1.8% in the last session. The ADX is receding and is now giving a negative signal. The price of crude oil has lost 0.9% in the last three sessions. The Williams indicator is cooling down and is currently neutral.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Within the S&P 500, only the technology, consumer non-cyclicals, and healthcare sectors saw a rise in core earnings since the end of 2019. Crypto remittances are growing in Latin America in the wake of other remittance platforms shutting off access to some markets. Sterling rose against a broadly weak dollar after 3 days of losses, as British PM Boris Johnson headed to Brussels to meet European Commission President von der Leyen to avoid a no-deal Brexit.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The UK construction output will be released at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision at 12:45 GMT, the UK industrial production at 700 GMT, the UK trade balance at 700 GMT, the UK manufacturing production at 700 GMT, and the US CPI at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.